Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Student the Brand. Today we are going to discuss about 100 definitions. As I said in the previous class, so I'm going to tell about 100 definitions, like how it is, everything I said. So we'll discuss 100 definitions. So maybe we can cover in this class. We can do it. If no problem. So those who want, you can take the notes and do it. Okay. So 100 definitions. I'm going to 100 definitions. I'm going to tell today. So not exactly 100. We may complete or not, but we will start now. Right? Yes. So you can see I'm going to the 100 definitions. Shall we start? Yes. Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Student Brand. This is our Seva sir. So welcome to my class. So now we can see here. This is my handwritten notes. So I wrote 100 definitions in it. So I already shown to this. I already shown these notes to you all, right? So we will see a reflection of light. So bouncing back of the light from the reflecting surface. So we can see the bouncing back of the light from the reflecting surface is called reflection of light. The bouncing back of the light from the reflecting surface, right? So we can take the surface here. I'm considering like this. CBSE grade 10 today. Topic is CBSE grade 10. Grade 10 physics. So by your Seva sir. Okay. So your Seva sir. By your Seva sir. With the great experience. So in teaching physics. Okay. Now, so I'm going to read it out. So if you know the answer, you can tell me. So actually this discussion class, as I said, 100 definitions as we may cover or not. It doesn't matter, but we will start. Okay. So we'll start these definitions. We'll see how many we can able to cover in the class. So remaining also we will do it. If it is possible, today we'll do it. Otherwise, in tomorrow class we can go with that. So reflection of light, the bouncing back of the light from the reflecting surface. The bouncing back of the light from the reflecting surface. So you can see whenever you are seeing the light, so it is reflecting. Okay. So now you can see this light incidentting on that surface. It will be reflected back. This is a normal line. So everything will be. But here only we are talking about definition. So the bouncing back of the light. Here the property of light coming back into the same medium from a boundary separating two media is called reflection. So transparent medium, translucent medium, opaque object. Transparent medium. Transparent medium means the medium which allow the light to pass through it completely. Okay. So medium which allow the light to pass through it completely. So that is called transparent medium. Translucent medium means the medium which allow the light partially. So that is translucent. Coming to the opaque hue. Opaque hue, here it does not allow the light to pass through it. It does not allow the light to pass through it. So I wanted you people to involve laws of reflection. So can anyone knows the laws of reflection? If you know the laws of reflection, please let me know. So how it is laws of reflection? Hi. So yes, ma'am. we may take. Yes, the angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, incident ray, reflected ray, normal line lies on the same plane. Correct, very good. Okay, so very nice. So we'll see now laws of reflection. So angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection, and incident ray, reflected ray, normal line lies on the same plane. Yes, yes, correct. Now, so next definition, you can see the next definition. For the next definition, you can observe here. Types of reflection: regular reflection, irregular reflection. So regular reflection means, so here when a beam is parallel, then reflected beam is also parallel. The type of reflection is called regular reflection. Whereas irregular reflection, you see, so here reflected ray is parallel, incident ray is parallel, but reflected is not parallel, right? So that type of reflection is called irregular reflection. So irregular reflection takes place on rough surface. Regular reflection takes place on smooth surface, right? Yes. Next definition. So check this one. I already said laws of reflection, only one or two responded. So I want everyone should involve. Just check once. Everybody are involving or not. So let me know if you know the answer. Okay, so this CBSE Grade 10 Physics definition part we are discussing. Okay, so regular, irregular reflection, regular part and irregular reflection. Now you can see object. So what is object? Object is nothing but the point of intersection of incident rays. The point of intersection of incident rays. So anything which gives the light is called object. Image, the point of intersection of reflector light rays. Directly reflector light rays will meet the type of point. Okay, so if directly reflector light rays meet, then that point is considered as so real image. If extended point, see anything either incident rays or reflected rays, if you're extending those light rays meet at one point, then it depends. Reflected rays directly meet real image. Extended reflected rays virtual image. Lateral inversion. So phenomena of converting of, so right side of the object appears to be left side of the object appears to be right side. So right side of the image, left side of the object appears to be right side of the image, right side of the object appears to be left side of the image. And terms related to spherical mirror. See, terms related to spherical mirror, pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, all definitions, important, highly important definitions, principal axis, aperture, principal focus, focal length. So I hope already we discussed in the previous classes. So light chapter I did explain many times. So once again, if you want, you can check the videos. So the videos are available in my YouTube channel. Playlist, you can go to playlist. You can go to playlist, light reflection diffraction. So complete, okay, until light reflection part is there. 52 minutes video is there. You can check once. And the remaining topics also available. So questions related to that. Now, light is a form of energy which gives the sensation of vision. Luminous object. So, luminous objects are nothing but, so what are the luminous object? Luminous object nothing but the substances which emit the light by their own. Okay, so like a candle you can see, bulb you can see, okay, which is emit a light, okay. Like luminous object means actually we can go with the stars, glowworm. Okay, luminous object means object that gives out by their own. Okay, by their own, by their own. Okay, so we can consider natural sun, stars, glowworms, and Sirius are natural source of light. Non-luminous object. Non-luminous object means object which do not give out of their own light. Okay, so those are non-luminous object. Example: planet, the moon, earth. Next, incident ray, the light which is incidenting on the surface, that is called incident ray. Next one, reflected ray. Actually, luminous objects these are which object, the object which give light by their own. So keep in mind, reflected rays, the light ray which is reflecting back, normal. So here you can see incident ray, reflected ray, normal light. And a concave mirror. Concave mirror is also known as converging mirror. Whenever light rays falls on it, it converges. And convex mirror. So mirror formula, the relation between object distance, image distance, focal length. So mirror formula is 1 by f equal to, you can see 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. I hope due to extreme reflection you may not, so you cannot see, I hope, right? Is it visible to you? Okay, done. Fine. Next, magnification. It is a ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. Magnification means it is a ratio of height of the image to, because these are definitions, right? So all the discussion only it's going on. That's why no problem. So board will be using very less time. Fine, no problem. Okay. So most of the light is reflecting. I can see. Now, so now little much. Fine, no problem. So magnification means ratio of height of the image to height of the object. Field view. Field view is nothing but what is a field view? So the region between two extreme reflector light rays. The region between two extreme reflector light rays, that is called field view. Paraxial rays, the rays which are very close to the principal axis. Marginal rays, the rays which are away from the principal axis. And object distance, the distance between object to mirror, like a pole we can say. So if it is lens, optic lens, okay, optic center image distance between image to mirror, lens also we say. So plane mirror, spherical mirror, the mirror which is in the form of curved shape. And refraction of light. What is the refraction of light? So when light is passing from one medium to another medium, the path of the light changes at the interference of the two media. Rarer medium. So denser means speed of light is faster, speed of light is slow in denser medium, speed of light is faster in rarer medium. Absolute refractive index, ratio of speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium, that is called absolute refractive index. Relative refractive index means speed of light in medium 1 by speed of light in medium 2. Any medium we can say other than vacuum or air. Next one, relative refractive index, Snell's law. Anybody knows Snell's law? So what is Snell's law or laws of refraction? So laws of refraction also we can say laws of refraction. Anybody? Laws of refraction. We can check a laws of refraction. Okay. So incident ray, normal, refracted ray lie on the same plane. And ratio of sine of angle of to sine of angle of refraction is constant. That is nothing but a refractive index. And critical angle. So now until now 40 we discussed, 40 definitions. Critical angle. So critical angle is nothing but the angle at which the refracted ray makes 90 degrees with the normal. That is called critical angle. Okay, that's enough. So I hope 40 definitions we discussed today. 40 definitions. Still more definitions are there. So nearly 100. I already said we may complete or not, but few we will discuss today. So remaining definitions we'll discuss in the next class. So do you have any doubts? Okay, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next class.